Finance has evolved over time from the daily use of barter to the dawn of cryptocurrencies. However, one thing remains: financial advice is timeless. As more people achieve financial freedom, while many more still do not have financial literacy, we are in a time when information about maintaining a healthy financial life is easily accessible thanks to the internet, which has connected everyone from across the globe. So as we all continue on the path of life, here are a few drops of financial advice to add to your knowledge of money. That's what we discussed this Friday Finance on Africa Assemble. Financial education is important and we take it seriously on this channel. However, we stress that we are not financial advisors. All ideas and information are food for thought. Before you make a financial endeavor, use some financial sense. Okay, now let's dive in. Number 1, save for rainy days. This one is obvious in theory but hard in practice. A day may come when you lose your job, your car breaks down, or a necessary expense will come up, and the last thing you'd want is to use the money you recently earned to cover these. Even worse would be to get a loan or use your credit card. The surefire way to prevent this from happening is allocating some of your income into a forgotten account. If you want to see how, you can check out our video on how to build an emergency account. It's free advice you can take advantage of. Number 2, go one day a week without spending. As the necessities of life grow, it can be easy to spend money almost every single day. You have to pay to go to work by filling your gas tank or riding on the public bus. You have to pay to eat out or pay to buy groceries to make food at home. Even when you are at home, you rack up an electricity bill just by binging on Netflix. Simply put, our lifestyle can determine the frequency for reaching into our bank accounts. However, aiming to go one day a week without spending does wonders. It teaches you to discipline and control your spending, while easing your wallet. Doing this also enlightens you on how frequently you spend, and even not accomplishing a full day without spending reduces your spending. Number 3, invest, save, or pay debt with your bonuses. How awesome it is to get monetary gifts as a birthday present or get a bonus from work. It is easy to consider putting this extra money to buying something you believe you deserve. But think about it. It is free money that can alleviate a bill you owe, or it is extra money you can invest in anything that will multiply its growth. Use this money as it's meant to be, a gift to help you financially. If this money is not spent on investing or paying off a bill, it is literally going to waste, as opposed to reducing your debt or increasing your net worth in the future. Number 4, be early to the party. A man invested $100 into a stock he believed in, while each stock was $5 as he held it. Eventually, each stock rose to $80 and caught the attention of another investor who decided to invest almost $100, only able to buy one stock. Eventually, the stock rose again to $100. Both investors decided to hold, as they saw this as a good profit. The stock after some time dropped to $90 a stock. When both investors decided to sell their shares, the investor earlier to the party got a $1,700 profit, while the latecomer got a $10 profit. This is the importance of investing early. A saying goes, the best time to plant a tree was yesterday. As the ultra-wealthy have easier access to early and exclusive investing opportunities, researching can drastically help the average investor put their money into opportunities that can yield decent profits. Look around and invest into companies you understand and believe in early to be able to achieve great gains in the future. Number 5, consider maintenance before purchases. After purchasing a car, you have to worry about fuel, oil change, tire rotations, insurance, and random engine issues. When you finally buy a house, you have to consider insurance, plumbing accidents, fixer-uppers, and maintenance. The point is, before buying anything, first consider how much it costs to maintain it. A television is pointless without being able to watch shows on it. Expensive clothes require certain cleaning care. Ponder on how much financially and physically it takes to maintain any purchase. Stealing a quote from Jaspreet Singh from Minority Mindset, we say, if you can't buy it 5 times, you cannot afford it. That may not be his exact words, but hopefully you get the point. Now we turn the question to you. What financial tips do you have that you're willing to share with others? If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, please help us by liking the video. It only costs you a click but helps us here at Africa Assemble. We'll be making more videos like this as we look to learn from you, the viewer, as well. Till next time, brothers and sisters, spend well.